Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and today I'm going to talk about whether you should buy the iPhone 12 mini over the iPhone 11, and will be comparing both the phones as spec to spec and in deep comparison between the two of them. So guys, on the left hand side I have the iPhone 12 mini, on the right hand side I have the iPhone 11, and if you can see, the difference is not much. Except for the cameras and all. If you see on on the sides, the iPhone 12 mini got a SIM card slot over here on the left hand side, and on the iPhone 11 it is on the right hand side. And on the top you can see, they are almost the similar, except they got some extra bands. And if you see, look at the bottom, let me just compare it over here. uh, you know uh, One of them just looks asymmetric, whereas on the iPhone 12 mini, on top it got a smaller speaker grill. But if you can see, both of the phones have awesome video, guys. So this is sort of the physical overview of it, and both got this particular mute switch, which is very useful just in case if you are entering a meeting and you want to silence the phones very quickly. So both got the Face ID, guys, and the Face ID is kind of quick. And there is not much difference. Like, I can just unlock this and show you all. It is almost the same. The time taken also is the same. And if you see, the iPhone 11 got a 6.1 inch screen, and the iPhone 12 mini got a 5.4 inch screen. And the battery life of the iPhone 11 is, I feel, much more better in my day-to-day use. And it is around 3000 something. Let me know in the comments below what is the exact battery capacity of it. You all can find it on GSM Arena. Coming back to the camera, I think the if you are comparing it, pixel to pixel, then I feel the iPhone 12 mini does a better job because it got a better camera. It got a aperture of 1.6, whereas the iPhone 11 have a picture of 1.8. And I really like the way it feels in the hand. Especially, it is like the most compact phone I have used after the iPhone 5s. And I had the iPhone 5s, guys. You can even check out in my other channel. And if you see the color on the mini is slightly bluish tint, and whereas this is like sort of a space gray, very dark space gray on the iPhone 11. So if you want that dark bluish tint phone, you can simply go with the mini. And let me just make this very clear, guys, very short, just in case if you are comparing. The iPhone 12 mini got the A14 Bionic, whereas the iPhone 11 got a A13 Bionic. And indeed, today performance, guys, the performance is negligible. And even the battery life, if you see, on iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 mini, it is, I feel, the iPhone 11 will definitely beat it. But as you can see, I'd been using this for about 45 minutes from its charging. And I didn't find the battery of the mini to be very less or something. It is almost a day, whereas the iPhone would after heavy usage would just go to the next day. And display wise also is, I feel, the iPhone 12 mini is much more better. So here is a simple conclusion, guys. If you want a phone with the latest specs and 5G, I know 5G is not yet released. And if you just want it for the camera, guys, go with the 12 mini. It have a better camera compared to the 11. And if you want a phone with a battery life, then go with the iPhone 11, because iPhone 11 is very cheap, guys, around 12,000 less. And thanks for watching this particular video, guys, and see you in my next video.